What is strict versus loose constructionism? Imagine reading a set of instructions and trying to interpret their meaning. Some people follow the instructions exactly as written, while others interpret the instructions more flexibly, considering the broader context. This approach to interpretation is similar to how legal documents, especially constitutions, are understood and applied. Today, we explore two fundamental philosophies that influence constitutional interpretation: strict constructionism and loose constructionism. Strict constructionism, also known as originalism, emphasizes adhering closely to the exact wording of the Constitution or legal texts. Proponents believe that the document's meaning is fixed at the time it was written and should be interpreted based solely on the text's plain language. They argue that the role of judges is to apply the law as it is written, without inferring intentions beyond the explicit words. For example, if the Constitution explicitly states that Congress can coin money, strict constructionists would interpret this as only allowing the creation of currency directly authorized by the text, without expanding to other financial powers not explicitly mentioned. In contrast, loose constructionism, often called judicial activism or broad interpretation, advocates for a more flexible understanding of the Constitution. Supporters believe that the document's meaning can evolve over time to address contemporary issues not explicitly foreseen by the framers. They argue that the Constitution should be interpreted in light of modern values, societal changes, and the broader purpose behind its provisions. For instance, when considering the power to regulate commerce, loose constructionists might interpret this broadly to include modern economic activities like digital commerce or internet regulation, even if these were not envisioned when the Constitution was drafted. The debate between these two philosophies influences many legal decisions and judicial appointments. Strict constructionists tend to favor limited government powers and emphasize the importance of following the original intent of the framers. Loose constructionists often support a more expansive view of government authority to adapt to new circumstances. Both approaches aim to uphold the rule of law but differ significantly in how they interpret the foundational legal document. Understanding these perspectives helps clarify ongoing discussions about constitutional rights, government powers, and the role of judges in shaping the law. Whether one favors a strict or loose approach depends on how they believe the Constitution should serve as a living document or a fixed legal framework.